you come up with the pair you want us to look at it. Okay, if not, we are only analyzing gold today. Okay, all right, so let's look into the market, and before then, let me clear my chart. Let's go to weekly. Yesterday, those of you who were on live with me on TikTok, I explained gold yesterday. But for the sake of those people who couldn't join the TikTok live yesterday, I will still do it for you today. So if you look at gold using the line chart, this is the level, okay? And you can see the level has been broken on weekly time frame, and now there has been a pullback already, okay? And looking at the pullback ended just on the zone. So we have a zone, this is it, okay? Yeah, exactly this. You turn to line charts, you turn to candlesticks, and this is what you see, okay? So this is a breakout, this is a pullback, meaning we are expecting a drop on gold, and the destination is this level right here. But remember, breaks, this is according to technicals, but sentimental analysis and fundamental analysis are there, which has potentials to push gold, and that one is more effective than technical analysis, okay? So in this game, it's not only technical analysis you should look at. We have technical analysis, we have sentimental analysis, we have fundamental analysis, we have intermarket analysis, and you should know all of them, okay? So if you only know about technical analysis, it means you still have a long way to go. Get yourself to know sentimentals, fundamentals, intermarket, okay? All these are there for you to learn, so meaning you have a long way to go, guys. Right, so this is weekly, and look at the weekly. There is a breakout level and a retest, so we are expecting a sell, okay? That's weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily, and looking at daily, this is what is happening. And as you can see, the breakout, a pullback, and when price reached that pullback zone, you see that on Wednesday, it went all the way up and got rejected, respected the zone. Thursday got so into the zone, got rejected, and closed below the zone. And Friday too, it went all the way up 1922, it dropped all the way to 1903, 1904.1, and then went back and closed at 1914. All right, yeah, so since its daily candle also closed below the zone, that should tell you that gold has more potentials to sell. All right, yeah, so let's go to H4. Now, looking at H4, this is what is happening. And as you can see, price gave a nice bearish candle, and there was a pullback which closed the market, okay? So when the market opens, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to push all into the zone like this, then there can be a drop, okay? Yeah, so we can look for a sell at 1918 to 1922. All right, that's the sell zone, 1918 to 1922. That is where we are going to sell gold from, right? Then we can drop it back to 1900, okay? Then from there, we can look for a buy back to 1910, okay? Yeah, 1910. Then we can sell it down again. But we can't predict like I am doing. We have to let the market decide first, okay? Yeah, we have to let the market decide. Then we trade what we see. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to H1. And looking at H1, this is it nicely. Price dropped and been pushing down, pushing up again. So like I said, we're expecting price to push into the zone so that we can dump it. Okay. Yeah, that's the expectation. It can also happen like this. It can also happen like this, come all the way here, then push into the zone, then from there it can dump. Okay. Yeah, this can also happen. So when the market opens, we just need to sit back and wait, relax, and watch what will happen. Then we can go into it, take what belongs to us, go home and sleep. So looking at 15 minutes, this is it. And as you can see, price has created a support right here. Okay, we have a support here. So price can come back to the support and then go all the way up to this zone. From there, a massive drop to the downside. Okay, this can happen. At the same time, it can also drop all the way here before it can go up, and from up, a drop to the bottom. Okay, so all these are possibilities. Kindly take note. All these are possibilities and they are likely to happen. Okay, so when the market opens, we need patience. Okay, patience to wait and see what will happen so that we can also take what belongs to us. So guys, this is gold, and this is what we are expecting. So if you have any question, you can ask. If you don't have any question, we are done. So if you want us to look at any other pair too, you can also equally say it. Okay, so questions, suggestions, anything, you're welcome. Yo, Tech, you can you have unmuted you can talk. What's up? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to see if you can go to the forest factory and talk more about fundamentals. How to know
Okay,
when
so
it's positive or negative.
all right. Oh, this week, not next week. Okay, so this week, tomorrow is 28th, today is 27th. So this week, tomorrow, we have no news on USD, no news. Even GBP bank holiday, we have GBP. So if you trade GBP pairs, I will advise you to stay away from the market tomorrow because they have holiday and there is not going to be any movement in the market. So on Tuesday, we have consumers confidence at 2 o'clock. But first of all, we have S&P CS composite. And looking at that, previously we had minus 1.7 and we are expecting minus 1.5, which is positive. Okay, I'm sure you know negative 1.7 and negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 is higher than negative 1.7, which is so it's positive news. If it happens like that, gold will drop. Okay.
Okay.
And also, they also have HPI. That is a minor news, but since we have the major one there, it can also affect it anyhow. And looking at that one too, we are expecting negative. Previous was 0.7. We are expecting 0.2. That one is negative. So which means it can sink. That one can also buy gold. The which where the first one is selling gold. That is if it happens just like expecting. Okay. At 2 o'clock, consumer confidence and job openings. And for the consumer confidence, we are expecting negative. Previous was 117.0. We are expecting 116.2, which is negative, meaning gold has potentials to fly. Jolt openings previous was 9.58. We are expecting 9.70, which is positive. Okay. So if that happens, you already know what will happen. On Wednesday, we have non-farm employment change, and we have prelim GDP. And looking at that one too, previous we had 324K for the non-farm employment change, and we are expecting 210, which is negative, meaning gold flies. GDP we are expecting a neutral news, 2.4, 2.4. So no difference. Prelim GDP price index, that one too neutral. So that is it. Goods trade balance, we are expecting negative. So on Wednesday, we are expecting a negative news. Okay. And at 2 p.m. we have pending home sales. And looking at pending home sales, we are expecting negative news. All right. Yeah, so that's all for Wednesday. On Thursday, unemployment claims, we have core PC price index, and that is neutral, 2.2 to 0.2, 0.2. Unemployment claims, previous was 230. We're expecting 236, meaning unemployment is increasing, which is also negative for dollar. So that one also fly good. What again? Yeah, that's all for Thursday.
Okay.
And on Friday, we have non-farm. And looking at non-farm, average hourly earnings, we are expecting negative news. Non-farm employment change, we are expecting negative, and unemployment rate, we are expecting neutral. So NFP, we are expecting negative on NFP. That is at 12:30. And 2 p.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI, and that one too. Previous was 46.4. We are expecting 46.9, which is positive. And also ISM manufacturing prices, we are expecting positive as well. So this is the summary for the week.
Okay. So if I may ask, is it always the case that whenever there's a negative news, gold is going to fly?
If it comes out negative, gold will fly. If it comes out positive, gold will drop. As it's negative, this is what happens. If the news is negative, it means that DXY will decrease. DXY will be weak. And as DXY is getting weaker, gold is getting stronger. DXY getting weaker because people take their money out of it and they invest in gold.
Okay.
So it makes gold stronger and USD becomes weaker. So if BRICS conclude their meeting, their summit, everything, and they come out with a new currency for their trading, it means that dollar is going to get so weak because everybody will take their money out of dollar and they are going to invest their money in gold because gold is a safe haven and people are safe, they feel safe investing in gold. Okay, so if dollar becomes weaker, gold will keep flying to the 2000s, 2010, 2040, even to the 2000 and 2100. It can go, but it's not today. Yeah, so bro.
Yeah, but you looking at the news on Friday,
Okay.
The news on Friday, it came out as 69 from previous, which was 72 or so.
You mean last week Friday?
Last week Friday.
Let me go
And
and
it ended
look
up
at it.
selling. It flies small to 21 and then fall to 1903.
20 feet. At what time? 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
12 o'clock.
Previous was 71.2 and it came
71.28.
out 69.5, which was negative. Right.
Yes,
Also,
please.
there was revised UOM inflation expectation. Previous was 3.3 and the actual was 3.5. So
Okay.
you see why it dropped before flying. There was a positive news attached to the negative news.
Okay.
That's why it dropped to respect the positive before the negative took over and it flew.
Okay.
You get it?
But
Yeah.
it's like the negative came in first before the positive.
No, they all released at the same time.
At the same time. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
one was released at 12 o'clock, and another one was released at 12:05.
12:05, there was no figures. That was Fed Powell was speaking.
Yeah, okay.
But look at it very well. We have revised UOM consumer sentiment. That was the negative news. And we have revised inflation expectation.
Okay.
All happened at 2 o'clock
Same time. Okay.
before the
Yes.
2051 came.
Okay.
And if you could remember, before the 205, the price was already at 1922.
Yes, please.
So exactly 205, the market started dropping and it
Dropping.
sank all the way to 203, 1903.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
exactly
Thank
what
you.
happened.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Yeah, guys, any question? If you want to talk, just let me know. I will unmute you so you can talk. Okay, Roxanne. All right, Roxanne, you can talk. Roxanne?
Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Maxi. Roxanne, you've unmuted. Continue talk.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, continue on, bro. We can hear you. Roxanne, we can hear you. Okay, Maxi, you can talk.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Okay. I'm quite new to trade. You understand? But I just want the best time frame for gold. Let's say to do analysis on.
Just start. Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper?
Okay, I'm a day trader.
If you're a day trader, start your analysis from daily time frame. You come to H4, come to H1. I don't know where you make your entries. If your entries is in 15 minutes, so after knowing what is happening in H1, you come to 15 minutes and wait, look for entry.
Okay.
If you are a swing trader, then start your analysis from monthly. You come to weekly, then you come to daily, and you make your entries in H4.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, bro. Okay, guys, so since you're all okay, then I would think we can come to the end of the session. If you haven't joined my mentorship and you still wants to join, you can have access to the 50%, which I posted yesterday. It ends tonight, okay? And if you want to join the Hunter Millionaires Club without paying any money, just use my IB link to create account with Geldex Invest. and make deposit, then have access to the VIP channel for life. Okay, as long as you are trading with them, you have access to the Hunter Millionaires Club as well. Okay, yeah, but if you don't want to use that and you want to pay, you can also have access to the 50% for your packages as well. So guys, thank you all for coming and have a good day. God willing, tomorrow we shall meet. So good afternoon and have a good day.